Bolton Sorghum Factory, 1890s to 1903, was located at the northeast corner of Mooresville, Indiana. It was the biggest sorghum factory in the world. The cane was chopped up and boiled to produce sorghum molasses. Visitors were allowed to eat skimmings from the top of the boiling vats. Around 1903, the Fall Creek Furniture Company opened at the site formerly used by Bolton Sorghum. The buildings were raised in 1930. In 1944, Automotive Armature Company constructed facilities at the same location on Indianapolis Road and operated there until 1993.